Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Golden Chariot Motorhome, which skillfully combines Mercedes-Benz advanced engineering with an extravagant and palatial living area, conjures up an image of ultimate luxury and regal comfort on the road. The term itself alludes to a car built for the most discriminating tourists, providing an experience similar to a mobile haven of unmatched splendor. The Golden Chariot Motorhome's external design would probably exemplify Mercedes-Benz's sophisticated and exquisite look. Subtle yet elegant details combined with smooth, flowing lines would produce an eye-catching presence. Large, panoramic windows would be incorporated to allow stunning views of the passing landscape in addition to enough of natural light for the interior. Its opulent appeal would be further enhanced by the use of high-quality materials in the external structure, perhaps with subtle gold touches alluded to by the name. Entering the Golden Chariot would be like entering an opulently furnished suite. The best materials, comfort, and space would be given top priority in the interior design. Anticipate handcrafted features like custom metal inlays, well-finished with veneers, and soft leather upholstery. A lavishly furnished living area, a gourmet kitchen with cutting-edge appliances, a tranquil sleeping area intended for the utmost in relaxation, and a spa-like bathroom with high-end fixtures are just a few examples of the several zones that the layout would probably include. The term Golden Chariot suggests a degree of opulence that goes beyond appearances. Standard features would include seamless smart home integration, sophisticated entertainment systems, and enhanced climate management. An environment of calm indulgence would result from meticulous attention to detail in every area, from the soundproofing to the ambient lighting. Mercedes-Benz well-known engineering would support this mobile palace, guaranteeing a luxurious, safe, and easy ride. And sophisticated suspension system would reduce road irregularities, and a powerful yet refined engine would make cruising effortless. The driving experience would be further improved by state-of-the-art driver assistance technology, which would boost convenience and safety. For those who expect the utmost in comfort, workmanship, and technological sophistication, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Golden Chariot Motorhome is expected to hold the top spot in the luxury RV market. It would serve as a mobile estate, enabling its residents to tour the globe without sacrificing the comforts of a luxurious home. A rolling monument to the art of opulent life on the go, the Golden Chariot is intended to be more than just a means of transportation.